Okay, here is a video vlog and a video rant and a video response to Loki or Loki or Loki or whatever your damn name is. First of all, I always include my kids in my video. We have very limited space in this damn apartment, okay? So for you go making a comment about I should include my kids more, I think you need to go back and rewind, watch all of my videos, see all of my videos and all of my kids inside of my videos. Don't make assumptions you don't have no choice to make. Now, I've been to your channel and you have no pictures and no videos uploaded, so you cannot sit here and tell me about how I should include my kids. All 5 of my babies are always included in my videos. Mind you, those were my 3 little children. And we were all over the place dancing. They were included in the videos. They're always included. If you want to know more information about that, you need to go and check out my other videos and stop judging. Okay? Now, people who go to people's channels and make little stupid comments should mind their own fucking business, in my opinion. This is my video rant, and that's all I gotta say.